Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer referral tracking with PartnerStack Pixels step by step clearly. To transfer referral tracking with PartnerStack Pixels, begin by logging into your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the settings section within your dashboard. Locate the Pixels option in the left-hand menu. Click on Pixels to access the Pixels management area. Here, you will find your existing tracking pixels. If you need to create a new pixel, click on the Add Pixel button. Fill in the required information, including the pixel name and type. Afterward, copy the pixel code provided. Open the platform where you want to implement the pixel. Find the appropriate section for adding custom code or scripts. Paste the PartnerStack pixel code into that section. Ensure you save or publish the changes in your platform. Next, return to your PartnerStack dashboard. Select Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Find the campaign associated with the referrals you want to track. Click on the campaign to view its details. In the campaign details, look for the option to add or edit your tracking pixels. Select the pixel you just created or transferred. Save the changes made to the campaign. Finally, test the pixel implementation to ensure it is functioning correctly. Monitor your referral tracking to confirm data is being captured accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.